everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Sue. Thank you so very much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. So a while ago, I came across a song by Susan TEDESCHI, and I was blown away. She was so bluesy and soulful, and she could play that guitar like, oh, she was so good. And many of the subscribers had told me that she also was in a band with her husband, and the band was called TEDESCHITRUCKSBAND, and they told me that I had to check it out. And there was one subscriber in particular that said I really had to check out the version of the old box top version, Joe Cocker song, The Letter. So today I'm going to do The Letter. I know The Letter by the Box Tops. I actually don't know The Letter by Joe Cocker, so I would be very interested in actually checking his version of the song out. But today we're going to do the TEDESCHITRUCKSBAND, and I'm looking forward to it. The bluesy sound that she played, I'm assuming is going to carry over into this band, and I can't wait to hear it. So let's get right into it. All right, and if everybody could like this video and subscribe to my channel, because when you subscribe, it tells me that I am doing all the right things for you. Here we go. The Letter.
Give me a ticket for an airplane. Ain't got time to take no fast train. Oh, all the lonely days are gone. I'm coming home. But baby, write me a letter.
Wow.
I don't care how much I got to spend. Way back home again. Oh, all the lonely days are gone. I'm coming home. But baby, write me a letter.
Whoa.
Oh yeah. Well, he wrote me a letter, and he said I couldn't live without me no more. Oh, I said, listen to me, mister. Can't you see I'm ready to see my baby once more? Ooh, anyway,
Wow.
I don't care how much I got to spend. Oh, I got to find my way home again. Oh, all the lonely days are gone. I'm coming home. But baby, write me a letter.
Nice.
All right.
Wow. This is amazing. This is way better than the Box Tops version of this song. Oh, that was a fun song, but this is way better. Blows it out of the water. She is channeling her inner Janis Joplin with this song. The grit in her voice. Oh my God, that rawness. Whoa. It is something. She is so special. And this is live too. I mean, imagine if, they don't need to do anything to her voice because she's so phenomenal, but imagine what they could do in the studio with her voice. But wow, what a raw and beautiful voice she has. It's so strong, and it's absolutely so just bluesy and soulful. I'm just absolutely loving it. And it's fun to see the outdoor concert here too, just to see how people are responding to it. But he's a great guitar player too. That was a fun little solo he had, but this is really good. Thank you so very much for tuning me into this. Kay, thank you for this particular song. I really appreciate it. And to all the other people who had suggested I do the TEDESCHI Truck Band, thank you so much. It's awesome. All right, let's back it up a teeny bit and start. Maybe we'll just end at that guitar solo there, maybe. Oh.
see my baby was no. Anyway, give me a ticket for the airplane. I ain't got time to take no fast train. I said now all alone, the days are gone. I'm coming home. But baby, write me a letter. Oh yeah. My baby wrote me a letter.
Oh yeah.
My baby wrote me a letter. Say he wrote me. My baby wrote me a letter. My baby wrote me a letter.
Yes.
My baby wrote me a letter.
Sing it.
My baby wrote me a letter. He wrote me. My baby wrote me a letter. He wrote me. My baby wrote me a letter. 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 He did. My baby wrote me a letter. Yes, he did. My baby wrote me a letter. My baby wrote me a letter. He wrote. My baby wrote me a letter.
That was brilliant. That was absolutely amazing. There was so much going on there. They had two drummers. Those horn players are great. That guy that was wailing on the sax for a while was fantastic. Those backup singers, they were amazing. And the whole thing was great. The guy playing the piano and the organ, and he's going back and forth between the two. That was absolutely fantastic. I love that. I would love to do more of the Tedeschi Trucks Band, or just Susan Tedeschi alone. Her voice, oh my gosh, she is so amazing. I wish I could sing like that. Oh, honestly, that is a gift, you know, and I'm glad that she's sharing it with all of us, because that was really, really great. So my fun fact for the day actually has to do with Susan Tedeschi's husband, Derek Trucks. So apparently his late uncle was named Butch Trucks, and Butch Trucks was one of the founding members and the original drummer for the Allman Brothers Band. And in 1999, Derek Trucks became part of the Allman Brothers Band, so I thought it was kind of a cool thing. I had a bit of a circle there going on. I thought that was a really neat little fun fact. Anyway, I would love to do more of Tedeschi. I'd love to do more of, maybe Derek Trucks has some of stuff on his own that's really cool I could listen to, or let's do the Tedeschi Trucks Band again. That would be awesome. Put it down in the comments. Maybe there's some other blues artists that you could also tell me about that we could do down in the comments. Would be fantastic as well. All right, everybody, have a joyful day, and I will see you all again next time. Bye-bye.